Also, executive producer on this as well.
Yeah, and Jamie Lee Curtis is in it. Yeah.
And Bobby Cannavale.
Oh, yes.
And,
all of them. Simon Baker.
Simon
Ariana. Yeah.
Ariana
so
DeBose.
yes,
That's my pal. She's
yes.
fantastic.
Oh.
How do we set up what Scarpetta is about?
It's a medical examiner who is coming back to her job after 30 years, and there's a parallel story of the two crimes that have happened in present day and 30 years ago. Ooh. That's the beginning, and then there's all the family drama, and it's if you like crime thrillers, which there is a ton of people out there that like crime,
yeah.
right?
It's going to crush.